Hey friends, hello and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial by World for PST. In this video, I will show you how to create a custom seamless pattern based background in Photoshop in a very few simple steps. But before we move on, I would request all my new viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive regular updates from the channel. Now let's jump into Photoshop and create a new document of 300 pixels by 300 pixels. Set the resolution to 300 pixels if you are going to use it for printing. Otherwise, set it to 72 pixels. Set the background content to transparent. Now, choose the custom shapes tool. I have used this Christmas shapes set from deviantart.com. I have given the link for the same in the description below. Set the foreground color to green. I will draw 3 Christmas trees of different sizes, just to show you how these custom shapes work. Now, right click on layer and click on merge visible. Go to filter, other and offset. Set the horizontal value to +40 and vertical value to +40. Check on wrap around and press OK. Now go to edit, define pattern. Name this pattern as you wish and press OK. Close this document. We don't need this document anymore. Now I will show you how to use this pattern on a background. So create a new document. Here I will use an A5 size sheet with resolution 300 pixels and press OK. So here is our document. We will be using the paint bucket tool. We will set it to pattern, and when you set it, it will automatically choose the last pattern, or you can select it manually also. Create a new layer, and on this layer use the paint bucket tool to fill it with the pattern. Reduce the opacity, say around 70 to 80% as you like. Just to show you, I will add a solid color adjustment layer. Say of yellow color, I will add a yellow color, light yellow color background. So here is our background image with the pattern. I will add 2 images from unsplash.com just to show you how to use these backgrounds. I have used these 2 images. I will resize using Ctrl Command T on the keyboard and reposition it using the move tool. Here I have used these 2 images and I have repositioned it. You can add some texts over here. See how I have done this. I have added 2 texts over that area, and here is our image. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you love our work at World for PhD, do support us on PayPal. If you want to contribute for our next project, become a patron on patreon.com. Share this video with your friends, and I would love to hear from you guys how this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my future content. I have created some playlists for you, and do watch my previous videos on Photoshop. Thank you.